Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which will integrate the PHP snippets, which will speed up your PHP coding inside your VS Code. So simply go to extensions and just search for this extension, which is PHP snippets. So this extension will come right here. If you see that there are quite a number of extensions which come, but one by one you can basically try out all the extension. One such extension is this one. You can see it's used by almost 102,000 developers. Simply click on the install button, and as soon as you install this extension, go to your PHP file, and if you check out their documentation. So all these, if you see, if you go to PHP file here, just say here print uh, what extension I use. I basically don't use this one. So let me show you the extension that I use. Let me uninstall this. I use the second one. So the second extension is not popular, but still I love this extension. It actually shows in the documentation all the snippets that are supported, what is the trigger point. So as you can see, this one and this one also. Let me just show you this one as well. PHP snippets VS Code. So click on install, and now we have a bunch of snippets out there. If you see, so simply go to the PHP file, and if you just write here echo or for each, this is a snippet here. If you see, you just write for each and this snippet will come automatically. After that, we also have, if you check out their documentation, if you want to add a if else block, you simply write if else, and this block will add all the brackets for you. So you can see, you can remember all these, memorize all these snippets. So while you are coding, you can simply save a lot of time. You can see that the while loop. So if you want to define something, you just write DAF tab keyword. Just if you just want to define something, just use this. Then we also have this. If you just want to define a if statement only, just write if. So you can check out this extension, guys, and use it. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.